Hey guys, in this lecture we're gonna talk about SPA. This basically stands for Structured Programming Approach. Now this is basically C language. We're gonna study C language in this subject. Now this subject is in Mumbai University first year, which is common for all branches. So you guys have to study whether you have selected, irrespective of any branch you have selected. Now, the mark scheme. We'll first talk about the mark scheme in this subject. Now, there are total marks of 150. Now, let me explain you how these are divided. First is the theory paper. Now, this theory paper is of 80 marks, and then it's the periodic test or unit test, whatever you say. It's of 20 marks. Then comes the term work and the practical. Now here, which is these both are a total of 50 marks. That is 25 this and 25 this. Now let's first start with the theory paper. The theory paper is actually scoring when you can easily score above 70. C language is a very easy language, and it was actually very easy to learn this language, and it has grown, like it has survived in the industry for about 3 decades. So this got to be easy. Now theory paper is actually not that tough. Some people say it is, but no, trust me, it's not. You have to actually understand about C. If you completely know this language, then theory paper won't be of any concern to you. Now let's come to periodic test or the unit test. Now these are two tests conducted of 20 marks each. These average is taken as the periodic test marks. Now also this is important. It is easy. It can help increase the pointer in the particular subject. Now let's come to the term work. Term work is of 25 marks. It contains the assignments you give, the practicals you perform during the lectures or the practical schedule of the subject, and also one can consider the attendance. And then we have practical. Now this is of 25 marks. Now this 25 marks is basically the end. After the subject is completely over, there's this series of practicals wherein you are actually given a question and you have to write a code or execute the code and obtain the output. This will fetch you the 25 marks. Also, there's no viva for this subject. No viva or orals. So that's all for this subject. Now, we know about the marks distribution of this subject. Let us now understand the language, the importance, and its origination. Now, why is C so important to learn? First, it was developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratory by a guy called Dennis Ritchie. This is just for your information. You don't guys have to worry about that. The main reason is what is the importance of C. Now you guys have heard about the languages as C++, C hash, Java. These are also popular language. But why do we have to start with C? Now C. First, let's talk about these. Now these languages use a concept called object-oriented programming, which is object oriented programming. Now this this is actually a tricky concept, and you will learn it or you'll understand it easily if you have basic concept clear from C. Now this is one of the reason you have to learn C. The other reason is in today's world you use gadgets like mobile phones or the electronic gadgets as ovens, mixers. Now these gadgets or these instruments have to work fast and also in a limited storage capacity. Now this is an advantage of C. C is fast. Basically, example as a game engine. Now the game has to generate outputs for fast input from user. Now this is only possible if we use C language. This can be done with other languages, but it will be fast and efficient if we use C language. So these are the reasons why I use C language, and it is reliable. It's also easy and it's simple. So thank you.